Sun is shining, it's Sunday, it's car boot season, so we're off to a big one. See you there! Heading to the car boot, there's a gazillion people here. Look, sunshine.
As long as we've got a screw thread. And I don't know what cameras that is.
Sorry. You joke. The only thing I bought were these sunnies. It was full of fast fashion and toys. Not a lot of vintage, in fact nothing really. So although it was massive, it was and now I need a wee, and I said I've parked near the tree to myself. Have a look. Which tree? Gorgeous. Oh, I love that chair. Wow, what a find. Look at this gorgeous chair. Wow. This one, that's stunning. Hawkins. Look at that bath. 20 quid for that big pot. Fabulous. Look at that. God, I think this is the best garden centre I've ever been to. It's enormous. I couldn't believe this place. I mean, I was literally just looking for somewhere where I could go for a wee, and I on the way home, and I stumbled across this place, and I went for a coffee. I went for a wee and had a cappuccino because the cafe as well was enormous. So I didn't really film in the cafe, but I filmed in the little deli bit, the sort of farm shop bit, and that was pretty amazing as well. And then walking into the garden centre, it was like, oh my god, it was just beautifully done. It's just each little section was just so gorgeously done. And they've got everything, even got like carnivorous plants. I used to have some Sarracenia, and I went away on holiday and asked a friend to look after them for me. And I said, whatever you do, don't give them tap water. Of course, when I got home, they were dead because he'd watered them with tap water. Oh, so annoying. So I've looked after them for years and years and years. Anyway, I'll have to go back and get some more. But this place had absolutely everything, and just each little like merchandising display was just so amazing. Just really, really creatively done, and just looked so beautiful. It was just gorgeous. So yeah, typical. I filmed a really creative bit of me loading the car with my haul and showing you each plant what I got. But of course, I didn't press record, did I? What a complete clown. Anyway, the minute I got home, I put them all in the ground, so I can't even show you now what the actual haul was. But not unless I go around and show you each individual bit. But anyway, it's typical. Love those mugs. Nice big, proper big size mugs. I'm definitely going to have to go back there. It's a hailstorm. Can you hear it? What's that? Hail bouncing off the floor. It's so loud. Flipping heck. Oh, there's my stained glass window. At least that's getting washed. Please, quiet. It's just raining. Gosh, that was so loud. That was so loud. And while we're here, oh look, seedlings need the water. Looking a bit parched. Oh, my peppers have come up. Oh gosh, here it comes again. Right, there we go. What's up, chaos? Trying to keep tidy. Nah, not happening. But so we've got. I'm just potting up the squash. So because they've got their 3 leaves. I think in the corner there, I think that's a lemon. And I've done those as well. And those over there in the corner. And I've got the onions to do. The peppers have still only got 2 leaves, so but they're looking a bit leggy. But I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to wait for them to get their middle leaves. You can see they've still only got 2. So, but yeah, these onions, I don't know, they're kind of like frazzled at the end. I don't know. Well, as you know, I don't really know what I'm doing. This is my first time for growing seedlings, so I'm chuffed to bits that they've got this far. So, yeah. Squash coming on nicely. Good. Let's hope I don't murder them this year like I did last year. That was entirely my own fault. I snipped it off at the base. If you go back and have a look at the my vlog posts on Top Notch Vintage Shop, you'll see I actually murdered my well, it was pumpkin, and it was growing really nicely. I thought I'd trim all the bits around it, and I ended up trimming the flipping main stem. What a complete clown. Anyway, fingers crossed clown versus snippers doesn't ruin these. My god, the weather is absolutely insane. Look at that river. That's the road outside my house. And then look at the hail on the grass over there. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh god, we're going to flood for sure. That is unbelievable. It's so loud. Flipping heck. Kitten come to investigate. Not that she's a kitten. She's a full-grown lady. So yes, she's saying this is probably the poshest little seedling trowel. It was it's a vintage salad doobrey. Anyway, right, come on, out the way, little one. You're not helping. You're not helping. And it's not a new litter tray, so don't get any ideas. She just had a brush and she got overexcited and started chomping at my arm with glee. Silly little savage. She's a silly little savage. Yes, she got a little bit overexcited. She loves the brush. Look, she still needs more. She's got, look at all that still coming off. But yes. She got a bit frisky. It's that time of the year, isn't it? Oh, you go one over. Yeah? You being all cute. Oh, you being little cutie. I just bought this charming print I have nowhere, but it's obviously going to my new house because there's absolutely nowhere for it to go in here. So I don't, buying a picture was the last thing I needed, let me tell you. I have literally no wall space. But it's, oh, I don't know, I couldn't resist it. What do you think? She looks really, she's got a really 1940s vibe, I think. 1940s, 50s look to her face. I can't find a signature, unless this is the signature. I don't know if anybody recognises it, but it looks like it's a an etching sort of print. But if anybody recognises the artist, do let me know. Let me know what you think of her. She's hunting. This is what she does. She just sits and waits. Sits and waits for them to cross her path. Not that she's flipping good at it though. She's really prolific. She's a very good hunt. She's speedy. So if one of them dare come out, that's it. They'll be doomed.